people on the internet. Welcome to the other episode of Discovery Project. We're doing today. What we're doing today? Well, today we'll be doing the service. On the service part, there's a couple of things we need to do because the car wasn't running for 4 years. What we're going to do today is we're going to change the oils, change the filters. There's a leak from power steering. We're going to see why is it leaking. But before we do that, I will need to clean the car again because it's covered with shit.
Everything.
So, welcome back and enjoy the watch. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What I'm using is an engine oil degreaser. What this will do, it will remove the old oil, and at least then I'll be able to see if there's any leaks from the engine while the car is being used. We'll let it dry off a little bit, and then we will start it, warm up the engine, drain the old oil, and change the filters.
Gosh, Stella. Babe.
Okay, I think he's clean. Now, one of the main reasons I I cleaned it underneath is because it was full of, rust and full of spider webs, old dirt. You know yourself, like the car wasn't running for a very, very long time. It needed a proper wash. Now with the power washer I could at least expose all the peeling paint. So now the plan is that I'm gonna wait for for him to dry, and when he's fully dried, so I'll give it another two or 3 days. And what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna inspect it fully, see what needs to be done. I think there's a couple of spots that I would like to treat with undercoat. What's next? Yeah, I'm gonna treat that with undercoat. Now, before I'll proceed with that, I made I've made my mind on what color I'm gonna paint it, but I'm not gonna share it yet. I'm gonna have to strip a few panels, so I'm gonna take the side skirts off. I'm gonna take the wheel arches, front lights, the bumper comes off. The rear bumper stays. What next needs to be taken? Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave them. There's a lot of hassle of taking them off. Now obviously this will come off, but this I just gonna mask. It should be fine. Same here, that's coming off, that needs to be sanded. I'm gonna treat that. Jesus, that's really rough. It's gonna be painted. That's gonna stay, although maybe I should take it off and paint it as well. Yeah, I'm gonna take these off. They come off. Well, this gonna stay. Yeah, this gonna stay. This coming off. Unbolt this. This I don't know. I probably will take this off, and I'm gonna take this off. And same on the other side. Loads of work.